Hello and welcome to this webinar. Today I will be showcasing the Daelight Solutions bulk query tool. I'll be going into more specifics about what DVQT is, how to download the tool, and I will also be going through a demo of the tool itself. So what is DVQT? It is a simple, easy-to-use tool that allows users to easily run Vql to view, extract, and analyze Vault data. This is specifically useful to Vault admins, business admins, and end users who are working with Vault configurations and are familiar with Vql. It gives you the ability to run standard SQL queries and to filter down those results with that, as well as export it in different various ways, which I will show you in the demo. So first, how to get access to the tool. You want to head to daelightsolutions.com. I will do that with you to demonstrate. So under daelightsolutions.com, you should go to Resources and then click on Tools. You should see a button that says Request Tool. Once you've filled out this form here, you will receive access to the tool within 24 hours and you will be able to download it to your computer. So let's say you have access and you have successfully downloaded and extracted the contents of the zip folder. You want to double click on Daelight Vault Query Tool and scroll down to Daelight Vault Query Tool.exe. Here you should see a splash screen and be prompted with the login. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little better here. But I do want to mention this tool is only certified to be used on Windows 10, so make sure you have Windows 10 and you're ready to use this tool. I have my credentials already written down, so I'm going to copy and paste them into the tool. But I will also show you how to get this Vault URL here. Okay, to get this Vault URL, it is going to be specific to your Vault. So this is, you have to log into your Veeva Vault login. And this address bar here, you want to select this portion. And that is what you're gonna copy and paste there. Now, I forgot to mention, but these login credentials are the same login credentials that you use to log into your Veeva Vault. Now, if you have API access or you're a Vault owner, those are the credentials that you would use to log in. Now, after you click login, you will, oh, might have messed up on the password here. Yeah. After you click login, you will be seeing this vault name populate with the vaults that you have access to. So I have access to Clinical Suite and Quality Suite. I'm going to use Clinical Suite for the purpose of this demo. Okay, now you have here your DVQT Workspace. Here are some buttons that I will go into in a little bit, but here we have the Vault Query area and then the results area, as well as the SQL query area. Now I'm going to jump right into the use case scenarios so that I can better demonstrate the functionalities of the tool. So use case number 1. Let's say you need to query for specific rendition types for load verification testing. So before DVQT, you might want to make an API call via Postman and get results that look like this. After DVQT, you will get results that look like this because you can export it into Excel format, CSV, or straight to your SQL database, but your results are much cleaner, easier to analyze and view. So I'm going to first talk about this button right here, which I'm going to use for this use case. But this button here has 2 more buttons. One is called Global Useful Queries, and then the other one is Personal Useful Queries. The Global Useful Queries are queries included with the tool itself, and these are included by Daelight Solutions, and you can use them if they're helpful to you. But the button called Personal Useful Queries, these are queries personal to you. So I've type these in here and save them to use in the future, and they will stay with you as long as you're using the tool. I will show you where these are stored first. These are stored in the same folder, and if you scroll down, you should see personal_queries.txt. When you save this document, this is where it's stored. Now again, let me query my rendition types for the sake of this demo, or my renditions. Run query. Here we have 4 results, and I want to narrow down my results to only show me the results after a specific date. So I'm going to use SQL to run against my Vql results. Here I have this query. Run query. Okay, so now I have 2 results. It's only showing me the results after this date. And now I want to export them to Excel. I have 3 options though. Here they are, and I'm going to click on this one. And I want to export them to my desktop, so I'm going to do that. Use case 1, save, exported successfully, and here they are. Double click on that, and here is my Excel file. Okay, scenario number 2. Let's say you want to query, you won't need to query to determine if there was any duplication of documents for my migration run. So now before DVQT, your results via API call via Postman would look like this, and after DVQT, because we can narrow them down using a group function with SQL, and I will show you how to do that. My results are simple, and they're in an Excel format. So let me run this query. This is my Vql. Run, and I have 13 results, and I know there's duplicates, so I'm going to narrow these down again with the group function that I mentioned. And I've narrowed down my results here. So now I'm going to export them to Excel. Use case 2. Save. And here they are. Here are my results. I'm going to go through one more query to just show you a couple more functionalities of this tool. So in my global useful queries, I have this query for documents, and I want to show you what other options show up when you have documents in the results. So I'm going to run this query. Now here are all the documents I just queried. Now if I right click on this document here, I have 3 options. Copy value to clipboard, which will just copy this value to your clipboard. Dump metadata, which gives you more information about that specific document. So all this information in 3 different types of views. You have table view, text view, and tree view. And here they are. Now this button also comes with another option of view document in Vault. Now if you're logged in already, it might just pop up pop up your Vault. So here is this specific document. That's a useful button here, and yeah, those are the 3 functionalities I wanted to show you. This is particularly specific to documents. Now let me go through another button called Export All Pick Lists. Now this button will export all the pick lists related to this vault. This might take a second, so I'm gonna jump to another button. Now we have queryable objects here. This button shows you all the objects that you can query within this vault, and again, 3 different views. And these are all the objects that you can query. They're easy to look up, and you can easily come up with queries for what you need to see. Now we have this button here called Vql Help, and this will just open up your browser to the Veeva Vault documentation on Vql. So to help you if you need any help trying to figure out how to write queries. Okay, now we've exported our pick list. I'm going to export them to Excel. Pick list, save, exported successfully. Drag it here. And we have our pick list values here. Okay, so yeah, as you can see your results in a tabular format. You can export them in various different ways, and you can see more information about the specific vault and run useful SQL queries against your results, which makes it easier to analyze data and filter down to your liking. But yeah, that's the short demo of the tool. Thank you for watching this webinar, and feel free to download the tool at daelight.solutions.com and share any comments that you have with us at dvqt@daelight.solutions.com. Thank you.